Today we're bathing my cat. So the reason we are bathing Addy is because she needed one, first of all. Second of all, she stepped in raw meat juice this morning. And third of all, we were down in the basement because me and my sister have to do online dance class, and so down there we used to have a mold problem. And there was water down there and moisture and stuff. Oh, hi. There was moisture and stuff. And there isn't anymore, but there was a tub of water down there because we had a leak and it was still just sitting. So she decided to jump in it. And on the first try of the intro attempt, I tried to do it and she almost fell in the toilet. So we're giving her a bath regardless. Addy, I have the bribe. Where's my cat? Come on, Addy. Come on. Yep, perfect. Perfect. Oh my. We're cleaning all the hairballs out of the
No,
bathtub.
Videotape that. People think we're dirty.
Everyone has hairballs in their bathtub. Addy, would you like some LED lights with your bath? Yeah. Got to get some extra towels for the floor because last time we did this, she ran out and there was bronzer spilled in this corner and she went back in the bronzer and we had to rebath her. She did not like it. Okay, here we go. I think you guys got a good angle. Okay, you want me to put her?
Yeah, you go.
Okay, come here, come here. You're okay. I promise you're okay. You're okay, you're okay, you're okay, you're okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Chill. You need this. Oh! No, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine. You're fine. It's okay.
Okay, just let her go. Let her go for a second.
Come on.
Didn't see my thick thighs. I'm scared.
Oh my god. You know that. Come on. It's okay. You're fine.
Alright.
It's okay.
Yes, yes.
It's okay. You're fine. You're fine. It's not hurting you. You're fine. Hey, baby Addy. You okay?
I'm sorry.
You okay? We're almost done. Hey, we're halfway there. We're halfway there. Chill, okay? You okay? Oh my gosh, I hope they can see this. This is quality content.
I know.
I know. You're fine. Flowers. Oh yes. Work it. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine. You're not going back in the tub, I swear! She really scratched me. Face the camera towards us.
I need to go to the doctor. No, I need to leave.
No! Oh god, she's gonna scale at me.
Oh no. Oh no. Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding?
Yes, a little bit.
Am I bleeding?
A little bit.
Oh my god, I need to go home.
I
am home.
You are home.
I need to go somewhere else. I'm bleeding. I'm really bleeding. Ah! I really need a napkin. I mean a paper towel.
A napkin. You hate napkins.
Ah! Look at it. Ah! Look at it.
Give me it. Give me this.
Look at it. You see it? That's gross.
I'm gonna sit on the towel.
Lord.
Sit down. And we're gonna wrap you. Hey, no. Sit.
Alright, I need to leave. I need to leave. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Bye.
Ah, okay.
You go get a bandage.
No, tub. Stop. 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 Stop it. Stop it. Addy, chill. Sit. Sit. She's not a dog. What am I doing? I know, baby. If you would just sit still, I could wrap you up. I know. Look at her. Poor little thing. Oh my gosh, she's shivering so bad. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go in your house with your blankie.
Are you done?
She's shivering.
Oh, she's fine. Come on. It won't kill her.
Here.
Go. Well, can you put this Band-Aid on me?
Gosh, well, who's gonna assist to the cat? Can you hold the cat while I do it?
She's in her tail.
We love it when she curls her tail. Look. Look at that. She should be like in a cat competition. Yeah, look at her elephant. Go get it. And she'll get it. Sometimes she won't get it because she don't think it's thrown far enough.
Nope.
Nope. Look at her. It's like, why are you filming me? Get away from me.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy,
Can they see me?
Yes, they can see your head. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I just had 1,000 subscribers. And thank you guys so much for watching. Ow, I'll see you guys in the next one.
My butt is still wet.
Stop!